Hi everyone, this is John from Civil Center and welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering student and professional, and for that we keep making videos on different software and on different topics related to civil engineering field. So we have started this series on Tekla Structures where we have already completed the RCC building detailing and now we are working on the steel structures. So if you haven't watched the RCC detailing and you are willing to learn, then you can just go ahead and find out the YouTube channel of Civil Center. There you will find all the videos. And now if you are interested in learning the steel detailing, then you have to just stay tuned with this series and we are going to start now. Now, we have already covered how to model the foundation, how to put the reinforcement in that, how you can model the steel column, rafters, and also the connection between all these things. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how you can modify or you can say model the side rails. So let's start. Now, guys, if you are finding this session useful, then definitely like this and share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel. So over here, you can see we have this column, rafters, and we have already established the connections between them. Now we have to model the side rails. So for that, we will go to steel, and over there, you will find the option of beam. Now in the beams, you have to define what kind of beam profile you want. So for that, you can simply go over here and select the desired profile. Now, I have already set this profile to U160 50 by 50. So I can simply model it. And for that, I will just go over here and come to the point intersection and over here again to the point intersection. Now you can see my beam is appearing like this because I have already set each and everything. Like I have defined the profile, I have also defined the rotation, but initially it will be on the top, I guess. So you will find it like this. So if you want to see how it will appear in your software, then you can see it will appear something like this. Okay, so you have to simply rotate it to the back and you will get the desired value. Now you can see it is very easy to model the side rail over here. Now I don't want to provide this side rail over here. I will have to shift it to this place because if it is provided on the side, then definitely it will have to be moved on the side. Okay, now for that we will simply go to the move and we will move it. But if you will move it into the 3D view, then it will be hard for us. So I will just switch the view. So over here you can see this is the grid line 6. So I am going to open up the view in the grid line 6. So if you have not learned how to do that, then you can simply just go ahead and check out the previous sessions, and there I have already clarified how you can do all these things. Now since I have to move it to the side, I will first of all align it in a proper way. Okay, now I have to simply grab the side rail over here and I will have to bring it over here. Okay, and we will not expand it. Now I will again go to the 3D view and see whether it has been moved properly or not. So you can see it has been moved properly over here. Now there is one more thing that I need to do. I need to move it in this direction. So for that I will have to change the position in the plane. Okay, then I can grab this point and bring it over here. That is 150 in this direction. Another way of doing that was you can simply put this distance over here or even over here. Okay, so that was another way of doing it. Now the side rail is perfectly into the position. Now what I have to do, I have to make another copy of it. Okay, because I have to place this side rail at the defined point. Okay, so you can you will not have to just grab the point on this member only. You can also take the reference of the grids. It will help you to simply position each and everything in the correct manner. Okay, so you can see now this side rail is well defined. Okay, so this is how you have to model the site rail. Now, if you want to learn how to establish the connections between the column and the site rails, then you will have to simply wait for the next video that will be released on Tuesday at 7 p.m. So guys, if you want a video on any specific topic, then you can simply leave a comment in the comment section. And if you want to join the professional training of the Tekla Structures, then you can find a link in the description. There you can go ahead and register yourself for our professional training. And if you want to learn how you can become a building consultant, then you have to simply watch a free webinar. Link is already in the description. And after that, you can book a strategy session with us. There we will guide you how you can start your career as a building consultant. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.